Hello and welcome back to another video on how to crochet. In today's video I'd like to show you how to do a magic ring, also known as a magic circle. Now this is one of my favourite techniques. I use it for every one of my amigurumis. That's one of these guys, like my little warrior pet here. So his magic ring is there and on the tips of his horns. It's probably the easiest way to start anything like that. So let's jump right in. I'm going to use my trusty 4mm hook, as always. That's a G in United States, and a ball of wool. So to start your magic ring or magic circle, create a slip knot. Now when you pull it off your fingers, don't pull this tight. You want to keep it nice and open. So I'm going to start this magic ring as a magic ring 6, which is 6 single crochets in this circle here. So the first stitch is always a chain. So that's the first stitch. So I'm going to use my thumb and middle finger of my left hand to hold this knot open while I work 5 more single crochets into this circle here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally 5. Now I like to move my thumb and middle finger between the knot and the first chain just so I can get them all nicely in a row. So remember that first chain is the first stitch, so this is now magic ring 6. Now all I'm going to do is pull this tail nice and tight. Next, in that first chain, I'm going to put a slip stitch just to close the ring up all nicely. So, oh, hang on, there we go. Move that tail out of the way. So for a slip stitch, we'll just go in, pull the yarn through, and then pull it straight through that stitch, and there we go. That's how you do a very quick and easy magic ring. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helps you. Please feel free to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.